Looking for a tiny table saw that actually works and doesn't just look cute on your desk? Today I ranked 5 mini table saws from weakest to best so you don't waste your money. This one takes the bottom spot on the list, and that's mainly because it's the most basic option here. It's not bad, but it's very much an entry-level tool made for light crafts and simple hobby projects. It can cut thin wood, plastic, and small craft materials, and it does a decent job if you're making models, doing DIY decorations, or working on tiny parts. The multifunction idea is nice because you can sand and engrave with it too, which gives beginners more ways to experiment without buying separate tools. Where it falls short is power, precision, and safety. It doesn't list clear cutting depth or angle adjustments, and compared to the others, it feels more like a toy than a tool. If you try to push it with thicker material, it struggles fast. So this one is best for kids with adult supervision, total beginners, or anyone who just wants something very small and simple. But if you want more control and stronger cutting, the next option steps things up. This one sits slightly above the previous saw because it gives you more control and better build quality. It's still a small, light-duty machine, but it feels more like a real tool. You get adjustable angles, better stability, and a dust pipe for cleaner work. That already puts it ahead if you care about neat cuts and a less messy workspace. It's a nice upgrade for hobby users who want more precision without jumping into bigger machines. However, power is still limited, and cutting thick or hard material is not what this saw is made for. It's great for thin wood, plastic, acrylic, and craft projects, but it won't replace a serious workshop saw. If you want something affordable and compact, but a bit more refined than the entry-level option, this is a safe pick. And if you're curious about the rest, links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. Also, if you're finding this helpful so far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews. This one lands in the middle because it feels more solid and refined than the earlier models, even though the raw power numbers look similar. What stands out is the sturdier build and better overall feel. It's heavier, more stable on the table, and comes with useful safety features like a blade guard and non-slip feet. That makes it more comfortable and confident to use, especially for people who plan to spend more time on small projects. It still shares the same limitations as other mini saws. It can't handle thick boards, and it's not meant for heavy woodworking. But within its class, it feels like a more reliable and controlled tool. This is a great choice for serious hobbyists who want precision, safety, and better construction without going full professional. And now we move into the top 2, where performance really starts to separate. This one earns second place because it's one of the most balanced tools on this list. It doesn't chase extreme power, but everything it does well. It offers good adjustability, solid safety features, and multiple blades for different materials. It feels designed, not just assembled. In daily use, it's smooth, predictable, and comfortable, which matters more than raw numbers for many people. The downside is that it still doesn't break out of the mini category. It's not for thick hardwood or big furniture projects. But within the mini saw world, it's one of the most polished and user-friendly options available. If you want a compact saw that feels trustworthy and versatile for small work, this one is very hard to beat. But there is one model that clearly stands above the rest. This is the clear winner. It's simply more powerful, faster, and capable than everything else on this list. The dual motors give it noticeably more cutting strength, and the higher speed makes cuts smoother and cleaner, especially on tougher materials. The larger blade and deeper cutting capacity mean it can handle jobs that the other mini saws just can't. Yes, it's heavier and a bit more expensive, but that's the trade-off for performance. If you want a mini table saw that feels like a serious tool rather than a hobby gadget, this is the one. It's perfect for advanced hobbyists, small workshops, and anyone who wants maximum capability in a compact form. If you want the strongest and most capable option, go straight to the top choice using the links in the description below. And if this helped you decide, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next review.